Every year I do a heavy metal detox, and I use our Rejuve Detox Pack to help with the right type of supplements, including our new heavy metal detox capsules, which gives you the fucus and the spirulina and the barley grass to actually bind and mobilize the heavy metals out. In addition to doing that pack for the month, and that comes with a free wellness plan as well, I marry in our heavy metal detox smoothie, which is in our latest blog as well, which includes cilantro, organic spinach, please don't buy it in a plastic bag, as well as parsley, Rejuve Super Greens powder, and combining the barley grass and spirulina, plus the fucus and the seaweed, and our digestive complex powder, so we can bind and poop out the heavy metals, and some organic blueberries. So have a look at my latest blog with the recipe, and have a look at this detox pack so you can actually get free of these toxins, scale up your health, and live a life that you love.